So this is Andy with GlueTread. We've been getting a lot of questions online of whether the patch is going to stay on the outside of the tire after you put it on. We're going to be doing a lot of riding this weekend, so I'm actually going to start my weekend by putting a hole in the sidewall of the tire right here. Then we're going to patch it and see how it holds up throughout the weekend. As you can see, the patch is still here and it's holding strong, so that's after 3 days of riding and tens of miles. Hopefully that answers some of your questions on the durability of the patch, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch.